In today's video, I will walk you through how to create one-word captions in CapCut PC. In this tutorial, you will learn how to generate automatic captions, apply caption animation, and customize the text style directly inside CapCut on your computer. Start by selecting the video you want to work on inside your CapCut project. Once your video is added to the timeline, go to the top menu and click on Captions. After opening the Captions section, click on Auto Captions. Next, select Generate Captions to begin creating captions for your video. CapCut will now process the audio and automatically generate captions based on the spoken content in your video. Wait for the caption generation process to finish before continuing to the next step. Once the captions appear on the timeline and preview screen, go to the Animation section. Inside Animation, select Captions to view the available caption animation styles. Scroll through the animation options and choose Bounce Out. After selecting Bounce Out, the animation effect will be applied to your captions. You can preview the effect directly in the video preview window to see how the captions appear during playback. Next, go to the Text section to begin editing the appearance of the captions. Inside the Text menu, select Basic to access the text customization settings. From here, you can change the font style used for the captions. Click through the available font options and choose the style you want to apply. You can also adjust the text size to make the captions larger or smaller depending on your preference. In the same section, you can change the text color by selecting a different color option from the available choices. Continue adjusting the font style, size, and color until the captions look the way you want them to appear in your video. As you make changes, the preview window will update so you can check how the captions look on screen. If needed, you can continue editing the caption settings in animation until you are satisfied with the final result. The generated captions will remain attached to your video timeline and will play with the selected animation and text settings you applied. Once you finish customizing the captions, your one-word caption style will now be ready inside your CapCut project. And that is how you create one-word captions in CapCut PC.